Hello, what's going on, scholars? Minnesota Chill Instructor, Mr. Brooks, joining you through St. Paul Public Schools, Freedom Schools Connect. We are going to reintroduce the chopping of the feet, and I'm going to show you like some back stretches. It's very important that we stretch out the back. For distance learning, you're sitting down, you're writing, and you're scrunched over, or maybe you're not sitting properly, or the chair is too difficult to sit on. Or if you have no chairs, you're trying to do you're doing work on the floor. Teach you some stretches to help your back, okay? And speaking of stretches, let's begin ours. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One arm across your chest, other arm by your tricep, pull towards you, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, other arm, right by your other arm, pull towards you, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh man, we gotta do a lot of stretches. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Keep your legs straight, touch your toes, try to kiss your knee, lean forward as far as you can, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put your feet together. Scholars, lean forward as far as you can, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keeping your feet together. Bounce. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That felt good. Let's stand up. Alright, y'all. Keep your legs straight. Shoulder length apart. Touch your toes. Try to put your palm on the ground. Keep your legs straight and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On your legs. That's leg. Down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your leg, cross your other leg, touch your toes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get ready to do the Mr. Brooks stretch. You're going to take your knee, bend it. See, bend your knee. Grab your ankle. Keep your knee locked, keep your knee in. Find an object in the room and stare at it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. Keep your knee bent. Grab your ankle. Keep your knee in. Find an object in the room and stare. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, scholars. How y'all feeling right now? Feeling good? Feeling alright? Okay. We're gonna be chopping our feet. Back stretches. Show you the proper way. Okay. First, get into position. Roll your shoulders back. Bend down. Try to keep your back as straight as possible. It's almost like you're making a right angle. It's not really right. So, just like this. You're just like you're sitting down almost. See? You're sitting down. Okay? Legs shoulder length apart. And we're going to chop our feet. Alright? The key is to remain down and keep chopping your feet. See how I'm remaining down? Okay. Let's see how we are on time. Well, let's get ready. About to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Chop our feet. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. It's a workout, scholars. This wasn't no workout, so it's like, oh man. Come on. 8. Chop your feet. Chop your feet. Come on, chop your feet. Let's see where we at. Almost there. Come on. Come on. Chop your feet. Chop your feet. Chop your feet. That's a workout, ain't it? If you actually do it correctly, you feel it big time. We literally chopping our feet in the house. You're chopping your feet. You're chopping your feet. Really a football drill. You could say a basketball drill. Or just a drill for sports. Well, you know, we got some athletes. We got some other folks that aren't necessarily athletes. They are athletic. And regardless of where you're at, we're going to get this workout in. Okay? Let's get ready. That's right. We're about to do it again. This is the last one. Don't worry. Where we at on time? Okay, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Chop your feet. 8. Chop your feet. Chop your feet as fast as you can. As fast as you can. Make sure you get down. Yup. You should feel it in your thighs. Come on. Chop your feet. Whoo. Chop your feet. Come on. Come on. Where we at? Oh, we got time. Sorry. Chop your feet. Chop your feet. That's chopping your feet. Huh. Hey, it's a workout for real. How you feeling? Were you cheating? Did you chop your feet for a little bit and then stop? We're gonna keep persevering, scholars. Ain't no quitters around here. Ain't no quitters around here. Now, we're gonna lay on our stomachs. Okay? For the back stretch, what you're gonna do is, while laying on your stomach, you're going to put your hands like this and just lean up. Just like this. Okay? That's all we're gonna do. Well, I'll teach you another one. So, one more time. Keep your elbows in, stomach on the ground. Lift up with your hands. Keeping your legs on the ground. And we're gonna hold it. Let's hold it for 30 seconds. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It might be a little longer than 30 seconds. Kind of a little slow. Come on. It's a back stretch, scholar. Oh, do you feel it? See how my legs and everything's on the ground? Just pushing up. Oh. Okay. Alright. How y'all feeling? That's one back stretch. One more. Let's go. So all you're doing, you're literally just laying on your back, lifting up your legs. This is the stretch. You're getting your back centered. You're leveling it out. Do you feel it in your lower back? You're just leveling your back. Look, that's it. You see? That's all we're doing. Nothing too difficult. Just literally laying on your back, having your legs up. And you're remaining focused. So while you're doing this, you have your eyes open and you're checking your surroundings. If you wanted to, you could put your hands like this, as if you were protecting your face and eyes from getting hit. If you want to look at it like that. Taekwondo, they teach you about that. That's it for Taekwondo though. We're not about to teach you no self-defense. Well, yeah, we'll just keep it at that, okay, scholars? Just keep it at this. Yep. We're all safe around here. If you find yourself on the ground, you just block like this. You're protecting your eyes, your face. Okay? This is our stretch. Your knees up, back on the ground. How you feel? Feeling good? Okay. Those are the back stretches and the chopping of the feet. Hope you were paying attention, scholars, with chopping your feet. It's real important. So, one more time. Shoulder length apart. You're going to bend your knees. I keep your head up and you're chopping your feet. See that? I'm going slow. Chopping your feet. But we don't go slow. We go fast. As fast as you can. Chopping your feet. Okay? Thank you for joining me. You all are appreciated. Be safe out here. See y'all later. Peace.